Hello, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate images using Leonardo AI. Okay, so this is basically the website. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description of this video. So just click on create an account and just click on create an account and just follow these steps in order to do that. Once you enter your details, it's going to give you email. Like you just click on launch Leonardo AI and it's going to take you to this home page. It's going to take you to the featured models here where you can do a lot over here, but my focus is to teach you how to generate images with this. There's a lot you can do, but let's focus on how to do that. So let's go to AI image generation, and over here you can actually generate image or even get a prompt. So look at it, this is your first AI image generator. So let's just type anything. You can actually type a prompt. So let's just type here lion. So let me just type here lion in the forest. So type something like this and click on generate. It's going to load this and then generate. So you can see I've been able to generate this just with using lion in the forest. You can see I've been able to generate amazing images. You can upscale this image. You can see there's options over here. You can upscale these images and then you can just scroll through your images that you've been able to generate with this AI, and then you can actually download this as well. So I can just click on download and I should be able to download this onto my computer. So it's very simple to generate image using this. So look at what I've done. I've been able to generate this image and I've been able to download it as well. So you can see I've been able to generate image using this amazing AI. So now so you can actually use prompt as well. So if you don't want to go ahead and then use image generator, there are several options. You can actually set the size of images you want to generate. You can see we have several options. This is a 3D animation style. You can also set the input dimension from here. You have other options over here that you can also set. If you want to generate up to 8 images, you have to just select that from here. Now if you want to go with prompt, just select prompt over here and then you just have to enter some basic ideas. So so all I have to say is that maybe let me say the same thing, lion in the forest, and something like this. I just going to click on this and it's going to give me some prompt ideas which I can use to get my images. So you can see a majestic lion prowling through a lash and all that. So I can just copy this prompt. So instead of typing my own prompt over here, I can get a prompt here, paste this prompt here, and then use it to generate my image. So let's see how this is going to work. So you see how this looked quite different from the initial one because I pasted a prompt which I actually got from Leonardo AI. I copied a prompt that I had the idea from. So I was able to get a prompt also from Leonardo AI, and which I was able to use. Now I can actually change the dimension of this, and maybe I want to get something a bit in rectangular form. I can change this from here and then also use the same prompt and then try to regenerate this. So you can see with the same prompt I was able to switch the dimension and I got something quite similar to what I want. So you can actually switch the dimension and keep searching, and then you're going to get any image at all you want. You can see it's going to upscale this image and improve the quality for us, and you can download this and then use. So I'm just going to download this again. So basically there's a lot you can do with this AI, and I'll be doing a lot of intensive tutorials on this. In order not to miss that, subscribe for such tutorials, for more videos like this. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.